got to remember that if you're cooking food, you want to love it. You know, you want to love it so much, and you want to change your consciousness around it so that you just enjoy it so much. And if the company that you're keeping at home isn't fantastic around your mealtime, invite someone to come and join you. That'll get some conversation going. So I will, at any opportunity, cook someone a meal, and I love it. I love it. And I think I've had to change my mindset around it, because back in 1992, I didn't know how to cook. In fact, I ate really poorly, as many of you would know. But I now love it so much that when I go to prepare something, it becomes magical. And the energy from the food jumps out of the bowl or out of the plate. And when we're serving it up, it just has so much more color, because I love preparing it. And I know that everyone who's eating it absolutely loves it. Even the bits that they don't want to eat, they love eating them because I love making them. Does that make sense?